Hello everyone, it's Pranav Ojha from Team Shuruaat, the team which always creates for your good, and the team head of Science Talk, where we try to put out some weird but interesting stuff to all the geeks out there. As a science and physics geek, you all must have heard about space as well as time travel. You always think how the world would be like in 100, 200 or 500 years. But in Science Talk, we try to put some out of the box things, and in order to do that, we have made some assumptions and predictions about how the world could be in the next 2000 years, which is completely predicated on the progress data we have right now. I'm getting that adrenaline rush just by imagining those pictures. Then why are we waiting here? Let's get into it and stick with us till the end.
I highly believe that life will be much better and ahead after 2000 years than what it is now. The future is filled with endless possibilities. While it cannot be predicted with certainty, present understanding of various fields allows the prediction of some far future events. If I were to travel 2000 years from now, I'm not even sure whether I'll have a land to step on. The world will for sure change a lot in all its dimensions. Discussing about few of them, no doubt 2000 years from now, the world's population would have reached beyond the imaginable figure. By that time, water bodies would have already submerged a large mass of land. All that can be possibly imagined is a fully established underwater world. With decreasing land and increasing population, it won't be possible to survive on land alone. Now, what does that mean? It simply means life on Earth has to find another habitat, or say, another planet to live on. NASA is developing the capabilities needed to send humans to Mars in 2030s. Imagine a fully functional human colony on an entirely new planet. Now that will be a giant leap for humankind. It's hard to wrap the mind around how far and advanced we will be by then. Things like flying cars, sophisticated artificial intelligence, and quantum computers may emerge from science fictions into reality in less time than we think. Now, talking about the lives that will sustain in a world like this. Since human activity envelops the planet, so there is no outer pressure which could affect the global cooperation. Still, there exists problems like climate changes and nuclear war, which could be resolved only at planetary level. There is a need for the human race to cultivate a range of behaviors and values to make ourselves adaptable and hence increasing the chance of survival. Although this is just a hypothetical assumption until it becomes real, but it would be naive if we say it's going to be completely different from what is mentioned above.
Whoa. Okay, so how was that? Wasn't that so captivating and engrossing that we could see those scenes in our dome? We can't say exactly that what will happen in upcoming years, but one thing is very clear. We as an adult, old people and our future generations are going to experience such technologies which are beyond our grasp, or who knows, things might become worse than this. I would like to give a huge shout out to Nikita Singh, the team associate of Science Talk, whose voice you heard for all the time in this piece. Anyway, hit up a like if you liked and tell us in the comments what are your views on it. Don't forget to share it with your futuristic and geeky mate. Till then, stay tuned. Have a great day.